The 5 pillars of Islam and their ethical implications. The 5 pillars of Islam are the foundation of the Muslim faith, and they have significant ethical implications in shaping the way of life for Muslims. These pillars are: Declaration of faith. The Shahada is the declaration of faith that there is no God but Allah and that Muhammad is his messenger. By making this declaration, Muslims are committing to living their lives in accordance with the principles and values outlined in the Quran and Hadith. This has implications on personal ethics as it requires Muslims to be truthful, honest, and sincere in their beliefs and actions. Salat. Muslims are required to perform 5 daily prayers, which serve as a reminder to maintain a constant state of consciousness of God and to be mindful of one's actions. The regular practice of Salat helps to develop self-discipline and self-control, and it promotes spiritual ethics by reminding Muslims to be humble and to submit to God's will. Zakat. Muslims are required to give a portion of their wealth to those in need, which promotes social ethics and encourages Muslims to be compassionate and to help others. It also serves as a reminder to be grateful for one's blessings and to be mindful of the needs of others. Fasting. Muslims are required to fast during the month of Ramadan, which serves as a reminder to be self-disciplined, to be mindful of one's actions, and to be compassionate towards those who are less fortunate. It also promotes self-control and self-restraint and encourages humility and submission to God's will. Pilgrimage. Muslims are required to make the pilgrimage to Mecca at least once in their lifetime, if they are able to do so financially and physically. The Hajj serves as a reminder of the equality of all Muslims and encourages humility, submission, and devotion to God. It also promotes social ethics by reminding Muslims of the importance of community and the interconnectedness of all people. The 5 pillars of Islam serve as a foundation for the Muslim way of life, and they have significant ethical implications. They promote personal, spiritual, and social ethics and encourage Muslims to be truthful, honest, compassionate, humble, and self-disciplined.